Best shot in seconds, say what matters. India's Ministry of Defence is preparing to seek approval from the Cabinet Committee on Security (CCS) for the construction of 6 next-generation conventional submarines under Project 75 India (P75I). A move that could become the largest single defence industrial project in the country's history. The ambitious program is estimated to cost around $8 billion, approximately 66,000 crore rupees. Under the proposed plan, the submarines will be built domestically at Mazago Dock Shipbuilders Limited (MDL) in Mumbai, reinforcing India's commitment to indigenous defence manufacturing. The project will receive critical technical assistance from Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems (TKMS), ensuring access to advanced submarine design, propulsion, and combat technologies. The initiative aligns closely with the government's Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat objectives, aimed at reducing dependence on foreign military imports. According to a Hindustan Times report dated 15th January, momentum for the project increased after the Cost Negotiating Committee (CNC) successfully concluded its deliberations. The CNC reportedly finalized the construction costs within the initially projected financial range, clearing a major procedural hurdle for the program. With cost negotiations complete, the proposal is now awaiting final clearances from the Finance Department before being submitted to the CCS. The Indian Navy is optimistic that CCS approval will be granted within the current financial year. Once sanctioned, the construction phase is expected to proceed in stages, with the first of the 6 submarines likely to be inducted by the end of this decade. These vessels are expected to feature advanced stealth characteristics, modern sensors, and enhanced combat capabilities, significantly boosting India's undersea warfare strength. The P75I project is seen as a strategic response to evolving security challenges in the Indo-Pacific region. Beyond strengthening naval deterrence, it is also expected to generate employment, deepen technology transfer, and enhance India's long-term capabilities in complex naval platform construction. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.